Yes, in this video I am going to show you how to fix we restricted your ads account on Instagram. Now listen to me very carefully. If your Instagram ads account has been banned, I am going to be giving you the reason why your ads account has been banned, the reason why you're getting this message you see on the screen. We restricted your Instagram ads account, or we disabled your Instagram ads account, right? So you don't repeat the same mistakes in future, right? So I'm going to give you the reason and the solution to this. Now listen to me very carefully. Reason number one, it's either you have violated one of the Instagram ads policy by either posting the wrong content or posting the wrong link in your caption, or probably using the wrong sound consistently, right, in your content. Instagram has categorized your account as a fraudulent account, or an account that is not safe for the Instagram community. And secondly, it's either you have a debt hanging in your Instagram or Facebook ads account which you connected to your Instagram ads, right? There is one thing you need to understand about Meta. Meta does not joke with any form of debt, or whenever they are trying to charge your card and they are having any kind of difficulty charging your card, your Instagram ads account or your Facebook ads account is actually going to go into ban. They are going to ban your ads accounts. And whenever you try or decide to pay your debt to continue running your ads, you can start having problem paying your debt, right? Paying the amount due in your ads account, because Instagram or Meta in general has been trying to debit funds from your card or from your bank, and they've been having problem to do so. You might start having issue with your ads account, trying to add another card and so much more like that. Do you understand? So these are some of the reasons why you are getting that kind of messages. And the third reason is probably maybe you've not verified your ads account. Maybe you've not verified the phone number, you've not dropped details about your business. Do you understand? Specify what your business is all about and do some specific settings in your Instagram ads account, right? You can chat me on WhatsApp if you need my help. Do you understand? You'll see me one-on-one on video call. Now, what are the solutions you can do to this? Listen to me very carefully and take your pen. Now, number one, solution one. If you're a type of person who connected your Facebook ads account to your Instagram, right? You are running your ads on Instagram using your Facebook ad account which you connected to your Instagram, right? Listen to me very carefully. If your ads account is being banned and you are getting that restricted message, you could just go right into your Instagram account. You're going to see the guide on the screen right now as I'm saying it. Go into your Instagram account, click on your profile DP below on the screen. Then once you click on it, then the next thing you're going to click on is you're going to click on that 3- icon, right, where you're going to get into the options. Once you click on it, then you're going to scroll down. You're going to click on creator tools and controls, or business tools and controls. Now once you click on that, you're going to scroll down a little bit and you're going to click on add payments. Now once you click on add payments, you are going to see the name of your ads account, right? Then underneath the name of your ads account, you're going to see something like switch ad account. You're going to click on switch ad account, and once you click on switch ad account, this option enables you to switch from that particular ads account you have been using into another ads account in the same Facebook account, or probably another one. Do you understand? Like I said, if you need help, you can always chat me up and call me on video call. We'll solve it right there. That is solution one. Now solution two, if you're a kind of person that is using the default ads account that came with your Instagram, if you are the kind of person who choose run Instagram ads without Facebook ad account, whenever you want to run Instagram ads as a starter, they will tell you to choose either you want to run Instagram ads with a Facebook account or without a Facebook account. So if you're a kind of person who choose without a Facebook account, the Instagram ad that is allocated to your Instagram is a default Instagram ad account, and this is a little bit more difficult to rectify when banned. So when it's banned, there is probability the next thing you do is you either appeal, right? If you get an option to appeal, you appeal to them. Then if they don't allow you to rectify this, or they tell you this is their final decision, then the next thing you need to do is actually start running your ads from the official Facebook ads manager, right? the Facebook Ads Manager using your laptop or your computer system, you go into the Ads Manager editor, then you start creating your ads, Instagram ads from that place by linking your Instagram ads there, and you start running it right into your Instagram, right? If you need help, like I said, I can guide you live on video call on this. Do you understand? So you have to understand this perfectly. Do you understand, right? Not to make this video too long. For those of you who need my help, probably maybe you need my help concerning this Instagram, Facebook, your ads payment methods, targeting, Instagram linkage or anything, chat me now on WhatsApp. You are free to enter my WhatsApp DM. Do you understand? Request for a video call. I don't charge much, right? I'm going to charge you. I will solve your problem immediately. You see this same bearded man. Do you understand? I will solve your problem concerning any ads issues you have. My name is Ayatolani, and I am committed to help you and your business. Do you understand? I will see you on the next video, and bye for now.